Hey guys, Josh with DKM Farms. In today's video, we're going to be looking at some cows, seeing if we got any calves on the ground, and we're also going to be moving some cows from my dad's place over to my place. So guys, if you like this type of stuff, hit that subscribe button down below. So let's get into today's video. First two calves of the year on my dad's place. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, get that calf out. Easy, mama. Easy. Easy. Easy, mama. There's your calf. She's fine. Let's go. Come on. There's number 2. Come on, 17. Follow your calf. I don't know. 17's in here. Are there 2 baby calves? Hold on, let's let these out. Let these calm down. Okay, open that gate up.
What do you got? I don't want number 2.
I got 20, 18. Here's number 3. 24. It don't matter which black one I take.
You got 4 and 17 in here already, don't you?
Are they? I would really like number 3, but I can take another one of those.
Leave them alone. Listen to me. I want to get the...
I know I want to let these out.
No, I don't want it out yet. Leave them.
Come on. No, no, no.
You're right here. Other side here.
Easy.
Turn around.
Come on. Turn around. No. Easy. Turn around. Turn around. Go this way. Go this way. Hey guys, I'm sitting here editing this video right now, and to come to find out that the end of this video got corrupt. We did get the cows moved over from my dad's place to my place, but if you like this type of content, go watch another one of my videos and hit that subscribe button down below. I greatly appreciate it. But until then guys, see you soon.